Hi, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to teach you how you can apply the pentatonic scale in songs. Okay, how you can apply it as passing notes and how you can apply it as licks. Okay, now you've probably learned a lot about the pentatonic scale here on YouTube and several other places. Okay, if it is your first time learning the pentatonic scale, then it is a plus for you. So I'm going to give you another dimension of how you can apply the pentatonic scale. Okay, now music is in such a way that we don't have a wrong something in music. When I say a wrong something, like everyone has their own way of understanding music. Okay, so this is my own way of understanding the pentatonic scale, and I hope it will really help you and take you a long way. Okay, so when we say pent means five. Okay, pent means five. So the pentatonic scale consists of five different notes, five different notes in the major scale. Okay, so you'll be tackling this lesson in key C. So the major scale is okay. Okay, let me zoom in so that you can see it clearly as possible. So okay, this is the major scale. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 1. Okay, so in these 7 notes or in these 8 notes, the major scale is up to my 7th note, just that the last note, that's the do, is the octave of the first notes that I played. Okay, this should end it, but we add this to just come back to where we started. Okay, so in these notes I will also identify these 5 notes that I'm talking about, which is 1, 2, 3, 5, and 6. Okay, these are the 5 notes. 1, 2, 3, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, and 6. 1, do, re, mi, sol, la. Just as I play the pentatonic scale, I will add the first note, that's the do, to end it again. Okay, so do, re, mi, sol, la, do. Sorry. Okay, so these are the notes in the pentatonic scale, and you've probably seen a lot of people using these notes as licks in several songs. This is the major pentatonic scale, and this is what I'm coming to hammer on this lesson. Okay, you can apply this scale in all the notes in the song. Don't get yourself confused depending on what you want to do, and this is what I'm going to teach you. You can apply it on first note, you can apply it on the second note, you can apply it on the third note, you can apply it on the fourth note, you can apply it on the fifth, the sixth, the seventh note. Okay, you can apply it on all the notes. Okay, you just have to understand the shapes and the permutations involved. Now, in the major scale, the first shape is what? This is the first shape. Okay, this is the first shape of the major scale. Okay, so what I will do is I'll play the pentatonic scale in this first shape also, so it becomes just as I played initially. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1. Okay, so and in the second shape of the major scale, this is the shape. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, to apply the pentatonic scale in this shape also. So do, re, mi. So right, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Then 1, 2, do, re, mi, so, la, do, re. Okay, so this is also the second shape of the pentatonic scale. Okay, so we have the notes scattered all around the board. Just know your fretboard. So you see, in the second shape, I had my re, mi, so, la, do, re. Okay, re, mi, so, la, do, re, mi. Okay, re, mi, so, la, do, re. Okay, now you've seen that all these notes are in the pentatonic scale. Okay, so 2, 3, 5, 6, 1, 2. Now if I want to play a lick to any note here, okay, now I have these notes here which I'm coming to use to play the lick. So I have do, re, so, la, re, mi. I have do here. Okay, I have my mi here. Then I have so. Then I have my la. Then back to do. So I'm coming to work around this. Now, on top of my first note, that's the do, I have so, the fifth note on top of do. On top of my re, that's my second note, I have la. Okay, on top of my la, I have what? On top of la, I have mi. That's my third note. On top of re, so I have re. Okay, if you're using a 5 string. Okay, so you have the notes scattered all around the board. So I have re, mi, so, la, do, re. Okay, re, mi, so, la, do, re, mi, so, la. Okay, mi, so, la. Then back to do, re, so, la. Okay, do, re, so, la, re, mi. Okay, now with these notes that you've seen here, you can do a lot of permutations here. Okay, so I have, okay, you've probably heard a lot, you've heard a lot of this lick, okay, in so many songs, okay, in jazz and in so many songs. What I played was, that is 2, 1, 6, 1, 6, 5, 6, 5, 3, 5, 3, 2. Then you play the notes that you want to play in the song. So in this case, I'm playing my first note, then I land on it. Okay. Okay, I can also play this permutation. Okay, do, la. Okay, la, do, la, so, mi, re, do. Okay. La, do, la, so, mi, re, do. Okay, I can also play this. 6 5 3 2 6 1. Okay. La sol mi la re do. Sorry. Okay. 6 5 2 6 5 3 6 2 1. It is not always that you must land on do. When the song progression is in fa, the fourth note or the fifth note, and you can just land it there. Okay, just have to stay focused and concentrate. That's all. Okay, so you can really create a lot of shapes. You can just as an assignment, you can just sit down and then out of this shape, this is the first shape. This is my C. Okay, so do re mi so la do re. So you have this shape here. Re mi so la do re, re mi so la do re. Okay, 2 3 5 6 1 2. You can create a lot of permutations here. You just have to write it down. So you can just play to my fourth note. Okay, 1 6 2 5 4, or re mi so la fa or re mi so la do, depending on which progression you are in. Okay. And then if you're using a 5, the shape is also here. Okay, so this is re mi so la do re, re mi so la do re. You also have the shape here. Okay. Okay, 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Just do the permutation yourself. Over here, I was just playing around. 3 2 1 3 2 3 2 1 2 1 6. Okay, so just you can be using the scale as a lick also. Okay, so if okay, I'll play a click track here, then I'll demonstrate to you how I can use it as a lick also. So another shape that you can find on your fretboard using the pentatonic is there, just the default shape, the normal shape. Do re mi so la do. Okay, so let's look at this click track. We are going to use the I won't be doing everything for you. Okay, so you can just write out the shapes, or you can just find out the notes. It's just across the board. You just have to know the word. Now when I come to this side, here's my C, so it's just here. Do re mi so la do, do re mi so la do. Okay. Just know your board, write out the shapes, and then you are good to go. So let's look at this progression quickly and apply the pentatonic scale to it. Okay, so 1 5 trying to adjust the volume. So then 6, then 5. So let's start again. 1, 4, 6, 5. Now come to apply the pentatonic scale. Then do so far. Then okay, re mi so la. Then so. Okay. Fa. Then I'm going to. Okay. Okay. Then. Okay. So basically this is all that the major pentatonic scale entails. Okay, you can really study the pattern and then work around it for even your solo works. Okay, so I wouldn't want to talk plenty, but I hope this lesson really helped you today. I did a lot of mistakes here, especially when I was playing along with the click track. But don't worry, understanding is the most important thing here. Okay, so this will end our lesson today, and I'll be probably sharing the minor pentatonic scale and how it is being applied also, probably in the subsequent lessons. Okay, so study this lesson, study the shapes, and I hope you will really learn a lot. Okay, so it's bye for now.